sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Knowing i-Sundowns bafethu, knowing i-Sundowns for isikhathi eside, they don't care ukuthi uyi-best player or you what, you what. Once you want to show yourself ukuthi wena you want to leave, abamind ukufaka ebhenchini i-contract iyophela. You see what they did with-Gaston Sereni. Bekagcoka ujezi 10 but he was not playing, bro. Zange adlale uGaston Sereni yaze yaphela i-contract. Bekusele 1 year 6 months. Knowing i-Sundowns, Lucas Ribeiro will never play for i-Sundowns ever again. Yes. And contract yakhe iphela 2028 ngoJune sibala. This year is 2025. That's mean una 2.5 year full. Abamind ukubhadala imali yakho yonke ku-Sundowns bakubeka ebhenchini. And nama-fans gcine sikhohlwe ngawo. Yabo. Lucas Ribeiro ubhayizile uyenza i-mistake, angicabangi uzobuya kuyo.